Let's have a look at this one. It says a basket of 2 apples. Let's say apples cost A rupees, 4 oranges. So 1 orange costs B rupees and 6 mangoes. So a mango costs C rupees. Okay. So what am I saying? 2 apples, 4 oranges, and 6 mangoes. That will make it 6C. That's the cost of this bucket. Cost the same as the basket of 1 apple, 4 oranges, and 8 mangoes. 1 apple, 4 oranges that you are looking at, which is 4B, and 8 mangoes, which is 8C. Or a basket of 8 oranges and 7 mangoes. 8 oranges means what? 8B, and 7 mangoes, that makes it what? 7C. Then the number of mangoes in a basket of the mangoes that has the same cost as that of the other. So if you're wanting to make a basket which has only got mangoes, then and it costs the same as that of any other bucket, then the number of mangoes in that basket should be how many? That's what the question is. Now, I'm able to understand something when I read this equation. What is that? 4B and 4B added together is going to give me 8B. 6C and 8C added together will give me 14C, right? Now understand this thing. If I look at this, this is 8B and 7C. So let me add this with this. So that should become 2 times of this because all three are equal, correct? So if I add these two values, this part and this part, that should become 2 times of this part. So let's add this. This will become what? 3A plus of 8B plus of 14C. Should be 2 times of this, which is going to be 16B plus of 14C. This helps me remove one of the variable, which is 14C, right? So 3A turns out to be equals to what? 3A turns out to be equals to 8B. This is one equation that I generate, right? Now, take any one of the equations and equate with the last one and replace the value of A in terms of B over there. So then you will get B in terms of C. So let's try and do this. Let me look at the second part, which is A plus 4B plus of 8C, and let me equate this with 8B plus of 7C. Let me replace the value of A as 8 by 3B. If A is 8 by 3B, then you have a 4B and an 8B over here. So let me bring this on one side. So this will become minus of 4B, and this will then become a minus of C over there because 8C goes on the other side, becomes a minus C. So this will become minus of 4B by 3 becomes equals to minus C. C will get cancelled out. So 4B turns out to be equals to 3C. So now I can get my value of A in terms of B and B in terms of C. So effectively you will have all the values in terms of C. So what is B in terms of C? B in terms of C will be 3 by 4C, correct? Now A in terms of B will be what? 8 by 3B, and B in terms of C is 3 by 4C. So A in terms of C will also be something that I'll be able to get. 8 by 3 into the value of B is 3 by 4C. So 3 will get cancelled out and 4 2s are 8. So A will turn out to be equals to 2C. So A is turning out to be equals to 2C. So we have A in terms of C, B in terms of C, and C is there already. So the number of mangoes in the basket of mangoes, only mangoes are there. So suppose I'm taking X mangoes multiplied with the cost of every mango, which is C. That's the cost of this basket, should be equals to the cost of any basket, any of the other baskets. So that should be, let's say 8B plus of 7C, right? Because I've taken any basket. So I'm taking this basket. You can take any other basket also. That's not a problem. So let's bring everything in terms of C. So B in terms of C is 3 by 4C. So 8 times of 3 by 4C plus of 7C is what you are looking at. So this then makes it what? 13C on the right hand side should be equals to X times of C. C will get cancelled out. The value of X, which was the number of mangoes in that basket, should be 13. Option D, 13 should be the correct answer for this question.